Hey guys, welcome back. So today I feel like I've been doing unboxing videos every other day or so, which is, I'm not complaining, but I have here a plant from Yoshi. He has a YouTube channel called Plants and Other Things, as well as a store. But I was looking at his store, and then I reached out to him and asked him about Phalaenopsis that he might have. And he said he doesn't really have that many Phalaenopsis for sale, because specifically I was asking about the Schilleriana. And he said that he doesn't have any in his store, but he has his own that he would be willing to sell. So he did sell it to me. So that's what is in our little pot here, our little box. So let's just see what we've got here. And I believe he did say it was mounted. Very well packaged, by the way. Oh, look at that. Lovely. Let's gently take, yep, there she is. All right. Okay. We will need to water her, but she looks really, really good. And he did send me pictures before I agreed to purchase her. So there she is. She's growing here. Looks like she's got a new leaf that she's growing right here. So I will get her in some water, and then we will take a look at her in a few days. And there's the tag, Phalaenopsis Schilleriana, crossed with sibling. So I am excited to see her. Another one I can cross off the wish list. Hopefully I can continue to keep her going and keep her happy. All right, well guys, it was just a quick unboxing video, and we will see you guys on the next one. And I got a surprise. I was taking the papers out of the box. I didn't think to keep looking in the box. I just bought the Schilleriana. That's all I was expecting. And I found a surprise. So thank you, Yoshi, for my surprise. Let's see what's inside. Let's see. Okay, let's take our paper off, and Cattleya Maxima Caerula. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Yoshi. I appreciate that. Oh, look at that healthy looking plant. Now I just have to look inside. I have to look inside. Bear with me, guys, while I take this and see, can we do it that way? Yes. Oh, look at her. How cute. Oh my goodness, how cute. Definitely going to put her in a special little pot along with my other little Cattleya seedlings, and then we will watch her grow, and hopefully one day we'll see a bloom. But she is. The Cattleya maxillera. I'm sorry, Maxima, not Maxillera, Maxima variation Caerula. All right, well now guys, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you on the next one.